students. In this session, we will discuss about some important concepts. The first one is drift velocity. The first definition is drift velocity. What is drift velocity? It is defined as the velocity achieved by the charged particle in the presence of external field. So, drift velocity can be written as Vd is proportional to E. Here E is external field. It can be written as Vd equals to mu into E also. Here Vd is drift velocity is equals to mobility of electrons. Mu is the mobility of electrons. What is mobility of electrons? It is defined as the drift velocity achieved by the charged particle when it is placed in 1 unit of electric field. So mu is equals to Vd by E. This is equation 2. We know that according to classical theory, when the absence of external field, all free electrons are move in a random motion. But field is applied, electrons are accelerated. Acceleration term A equals to E by m. Then rate of change of velocity dv by dt equals to E by m. Here v is drift velocity. So dvd equals to E by m into dt. This is equation 3. Equation 3 both sides apply integration. Therefore, Vd equals to E by m into t. Here t is equals to tau. What is tau? Mean collision time. It is defined the mean time spent between two successive collisions. So Vd equals to E tau by m into E, because this is external field. This is equation 4. So equation 4, Vd equals to E tau by m into E. Okay. Now we know that electrical conductivity sigma equals to N is square tau by m. It can be written as N into E into tau by m. Here what is this? This part is related to the okay. So here E tau by m is nothing but mobility of electron. Because of from equation 4 and 2 we get mu equals to E tau by m. Finally sigma equals to N into mu. This is relation between mobility of electron and electrical conductivity of metals. Thank you.